Good morning, day traders, and welcome to Market Minute, a hedge fund trader's technical analysis of the stock market for February 25th, 2022. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let's get after it. So SPY, small little gap down here this morning, but we're not going to put too much stock into it after yesterday's very strong day. Extremely bullish volume, right? Huge outlier volume, right? Biggest we've seen in about a month and a half, right? So now let's see if we can get that kind of momentum to kind of keep this thing going. We're not out of the woods here yet on the SPY, right? Bearish setups can still come back into play, but there'll be more of a Bollinger Band breakdown until that 410 area falls. Bull case today begins above that 429 and moves about $1 at a time towards that 430 and then 433, right? Towards that, say, eventually 440 area. QQQ, right, giving us a very similar story, impressive volume profile, right, maybe not as impressive as the SPY, but we're not going to get too picky here, right, not gapping down as much, so certainly has that momentum if it can give us that breakout over that 342.60. Again, right, can look for bearish breakdowns, but probably going to use Bollinger Bands on any move there. Right, Apple, similar setup here as well, right? Good outlier increasing volume, seems to have recovered that trend line exceptionally well. So now I'd like to see this thing break out up and over that 163 area. If it can, then we're going to have a lot of room up towards that, say, 165 and then 166 zones. We should have a lot of dip buyers, right, protecting this January 28th high volume day, right? This is the second highest volume bar since then, or the highest since then, I should say. So we'd like to see those buyers step in and defend. Right, Tesla giving us maybe the best looking setup here pre-market, right? High volume, full body day yesterday, right? Bounce off of 690 back towards that 800, holding above 800 pre-market. And if it can now give us that move over that 810, it's going to have a lot of room, right? Moving $10 at a time towards that 850. Again, we can look for breakdowns, right? Especially if we lose that 800 zone, but we're going to want to play those with Bollinger Bands instead of chasing level breaks. Right, Microsoft last but not least here, full body candle there, right, full body volume, maybe not the strongest volume profile, right, compared to some of our other names, right, at least compared to the SPY, but still really good, right? We're not going to complain too much about this. For now, we're going to be looking for a breakout above this 295.50 area for a move towards that 300. There we could start getting a little bit stuck and maybe find a little bit of resistance. This downward trend line still is a little bit intimidating, and I don't want to get too aggressive, right, trading up into it. So Microsoft might be a little bit easier to watch than trade today. But again, right, if things break down, Bollinger Bands will be our friend until that 269.20 area falls. So that's how I plan on dominating today's action. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to copy my day trades live, you can join at dtrtrading.com. Otherwise, I'll see you all on Monday for the next Market Minute.